been using the word transition for a long time. Transitioning operating systems. Traditional approach, closing step and punch, advance, advance, and this is what we've always done, and that's fine. So there's nothing wrong with the advancing. If you put it into a ranged perspective, I close and hit him, bang, he mildly backs up. Okay, so I can advance and no problem, right? That's easy, okay? Or I could just have done that. And notice I didn't advance.
You just stepped out.
I just stepped out into a boxing stance and used a longer tool. So option one, move the whole frame, the whole chassis, that's fine. Stay right where I am, use a longer tool. I don't care.
You don't need to advance with that.
You don't need to. But there's nothing wrong with doing so. So that's where you're gonna have an overlap in the range. But if I knock it for a distance here, bang, that's gonna make a lot more sense than either of the other two. There's not too much of a right or wrong, right? You're just trying to find what's appropriate. Which one do I do? The first one that comes to mind.